Hi, my name is Saba Wahid, resident chef at Yale Appliance. Today, we're going to show you how to use a wok on an induction cooktop. We'll cover performance compared to a gas cooktop, as well as the convenience and safety. At the end of the video, you'll know whether an induction cooktop is right for your cooking style, especially if you like to wok cook. At the end of the video, you'll have an opportunity to download our free induction buying guide to learn all about the different brands and their key features. Let's get started. First, you'll want to know that wok cooking on induction, or even pro gas for that matter, isn't going to be as powerful as the commercial stoves you'll find in the back of an Asian-style restaurant. But it's still possible to do wok-style cooking on induction and get decent results. Compared to pro gas cooktops and range tops, induction gives you more consistent results. Because you'll need a flat bottom wok, your proteins will have more contact with the hottest part of the pan and allow you to achieve a better sear. If you're going to use a wok on a pro gas range, it's recommended you get a special wok grate. Next to Radiant Electric, there's little competition. The control you get with induction is much more precise because there is little residual heat and you get that immediate reaction without the electric coils having to cool down. Compared to any gas cooktop or range, induction tops are much easier to clean. They're flat ceramic glass, so you can just wipe them down afterward. Induction technology is safer than gas because you don't have an open flame in your home, and the cooking surface cools down quicker. Not instantly, though. Cooking with gas always requires ventilation depending on your jurisdiction because gas flames put out significantly more heat and indoor pollutants that need to be exhausted from your kitchen. Again, if you're expecting high BTU professional style results, induction might not work for you. Induction is more ideal if you wok cook occasionally. It gives you more versatility when cooking with a variety of different styles, quick cleanup, and versatility in your kitchen setup. Click the link in the description to download our free induction buying guide and learn all about the different brands and their key features.